everybody, and welcome to this week's Trade with Precision free video newsletter for the 24th of May. My name's Craig Cobb, and look, I want to take you through a bit of FX stuff at the moment, but take a bit of a different angle. As opposed to often when we'll go through and sort of show you what we're looking at, what we like, and what we're looking to trade and whatnot, I'm actually going to do something a little bit different. The reason being is that right now in foreign exchange there is very, very little that I'm actually interested in trading. Now, you might be wondering why I'm saying that. Well, it's because it's just the truth. For me personally, there's very little for me to actually go out there and look to be trading, and the simple reason is we seem to be in a bit of a, I guess, I don't know if you call it transitional period or consolidation period, or it looks like the markets are waiting for something. I don't know what that something might be. I'm not sure if anybody knows what it might be, but they're certainly not in a period of lots and lots of very strong trends. And let me just take you through and show you some of these. I've taken the first one, Aussie against the dollar. Yes, it's downtrending, but it's pretty ugly. It's stopped having a nice sequence, a nice flow. I mean, have a look at here on the 4 hour. It's just sort of held up. It's not really doing a great deal. Aussie dollar was one of these really good trending markets, but now it's paused and it's not doing a great deal right now. Randomly, I'll pull out dollar CAD. Dollar CAD is one of the ones that is moving. It is in an uptrend here on the daily, waiting for it to pull back on the daily, but it's on these lower time frames again. It's a little bit caught up, just waiting again, just waiting to see what happens there. Daily trend is probably the best one out there, and this is one of the better trends, and the weekly there just having that pull back up. Onto a yen, euro yen as an example. When it comes up, okay, euro yen, really nice weekly downtrend, really nice indeed. Okay, very nice. It's just got a bit messy through this period here, but it is in a nice downtrend, bit of a consolidating period. You can see here there's our lows, and it's just sort of been trapped up. It's on the daily. I really do not like it too much because here's that mess. I mean, look, it's this. We like to trade through periods like this. Okay, we don't like to trade through periods like this that are very messy. It's very messy right now, and one that I'm not a real fan of. CAD Swiss, to get one of these Swiss pairs. Again, on the monthly it's a mess, on the weekly it's a mess, on the daily there's no confirmed direction there. Again, not one that I'm interested in. Look at these lower time frames like the 4 hour. It is just a consolidation. It's not very nice at all. I'm looking for very strong trends. Having a look at Euro CAD. Again, no strong trend. Let's have a look at Sterling CAD. Nice strong trend there. One of the markets that are trending quite nicely. It does need to pull back, but yes, that is a nice trend there. One of the few that are actually trending. But again, on this 4 hour, I like to see pullbacks in, small bullish candles, and then a move. It's just sort of getting caught up there once again. And I'll go for something like down around the bottom end, Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi is trending nicely on the daily. All right. Have a look here though, right? Look at this range that we're in, up to the top, back down to the bottom, up the top, we're near the bottom, and it's really on these mid to lower time frames. I'm not a great fan. This one is looking quite nice right now, okay, in that sell zone. If you have a look here, nice bearish candle, nice move. Actually, I said I'm not a fan. I actually do Aussie Kiwi on this 4 hour. It's probably one of the better ones that I'm seeing, to be honest. Overall, it is downtrending, but as far as really strong trends, the ones that I like to trade, I mean, it just so happened that the ones that I picked at random, there were a couple of trends in there. But I mean, look, if I just keep clicking around, you'll just see that they're all a bit of a mess. That there's not a huge amount going on out there. It's not the conditions that I'm looking for. It's not perfect. It's not really strong trends. So get to the point, Craig. What are you going to say next? Well, the point I'm trying to get to is that one of the things with trading FX, and not just FX but other markets as well, is that it's not just about when to take trades. It's about when to leave them, when to stay back. Now, one of the big deals as a trader is knowing when those periods of time are. A lot of people go into the markets, and this is the majority of people that call themselves traders, okay? And what they are is they're having a go. They're trying to trade. They go into the marketplace and they look to take trades. So they go to work all day, come home at say 7 o'clock, trade from 7 till 9 or something like that, and they look for trades to take. If you look for trades to take, you will find trades to take. Somebody who knows what they're doing, they go into the market knowing exactly what they're looking for. If they don't have what they're looking for, then they don't take a trade. All right. Now, right now, I'm not seeing a great deal of what I'm looking for, so it's time to sit back. So what do you do in these sit back times? Well, you can go and do whatever makes you happy. You can go and play golf or go fishing or whatever you do that makes you happy. A really good thing to also do is to educate yourself, and that brings me to this week's webinar topic. It's how to trade Forex with precision. It's going to help those of you who are fairly new to Forex, but also those that have been around trading foreign exchange for quite some time. Look at a number of the benefits, look at some of the risks in trading, and also how we at Trade with Precision approach this market. So how to trade Forex with precision is the webinar. It's the 24th of May, so that is tonight in Sydney and Auckland. 9 p.m. Auckland, 7 p.m. Sydney. The following day it's 10 a.m. London and 5 a.m. New York. And that's the only one that's coming up. The other one has already been for the week. So if you want to get your head around foreign exchange, see how we do it, and take yourself and your understanding to a little bit higher level, whilst the markets aren't providing you with the best of opportunities, then I suggest you tune in to this webinar. Guys, I hope you have a fantastic trading week, and I'll speak to you all again very soon. Bye for now.